your legs just a little. Oh, birds of a feather, let's dance together. Flap your wings and reach for the sky. Birds of a feather, best friends forever. So let's fly, fly, fly. Little Lucy went pecker, she was pecking forever. She was looking for some food, yay. Bobby landed beside her, fascinated by her. He said, show me how you move. Oh, she showed him how to tap, tap, tap. She showed him how to flap, flap, flap. Get your tail to wiggle, shake your legs just a little. Oh, birds of a feather, let's dance together. Flap your wings and reach for the sky. Oh, birds of a feather, best friends forever. So let's fly, fly, fly. I just wanna fly away. Chloe the chicken didn't know she was missing. She was sleeping through the fun, yay. Bobby said, heard your dance was a secret. We were hoping you'd teach it. Show us your favorite one, yay. She showed us how to bop, bop, bop. We just couldn't stop, stop, stop. Get your tail to wiggle, shake your legs just